When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Eslite Life 9.5-inch crepe pan is a standout addition to any kitchen. Designed with health, convenience, and durability in mind, this non-stick ceramic flat skillet promises to elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're flipping pancakes, preparing tortillas, or crafting the perfect dosa, this pan is built to deliver flawless results every time. Why you should consider the Eslite Life Crepe Pan today. Health-conscious design, free of toxic materials, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. Versatile functionality, suitable for a variety of dishes, from breakfast classics to dinner staples. Durable build, combines the best of cast iron and aluminum for long-lasting performance. User-friendly features, lightweight, easy to clean, and compatible with all stovetops. Satisfaction guaranteed, backed by exceptional customer service and a robust warranty. What makes the Eslite Life Crepe Pan a kitchen essential? 1. Non-toxic ceramic coating for healthier cooking. This crepe pan is coated with a PTFE and PFOA-free non-stick ceramic surface, ensuring your meals are free from harmful chemicals like lead or cadmium. This makes it a healthier option for you, your family, and the environment. You can cook with confidence, knowing that no toxic materials will leach into your food. 2. Versatile and easy to use. From crepes to tortillas, dosa, tawa, and pancakes, this pan's flat design caters to a variety of culinary needs. The heat-resistant Bakelite handle stays cool to the touch, offering comfort and control during cooking. Its lightweight structure and thoughtful design ensure effortless flipping, spreading, and serving. 3. Durable cast aluminum body. The cast aluminum construction combines the best features of cast iron and traditional cookware. This means you get the durability and heat retention of cast iron without the added weight. The non-stick surface requires minimal oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking while making cleanup a breeze. 4. Efficient heat distribution for even cooking. Thanks to its magnetized base, the pan heats up quickly and evenly, eliminating hot spots that can ruin your dishes. It is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, ceramic, electric, and induction, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. 5. Reliable service and guarantee. With over 30 years of experience in non-stick cookware, Eslite Life stands by its products. Should you encounter any shipping damage or defects, the company ensures a 100% refund or replacement, addressing your concerns within 24 hours. Perfect for everyday cooking. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the Eslite Life Crepe Pan simplifies the process. Imagine waking up to golden brown crepes, perfectly seared dosa, or evenly cooked tortillas, all without the frustration of sticking or uneven cooking. The lightweight yet durable design makes it ideal for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Its versatility extends beyond crepes and pancakes, serving as the perfect tool for sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or even making flatbreads. Customer testimonials. Real experiences, real results. Don't just take our word for it. This pan has earned glowing reviews from users worldwide. One customer shared, "I love how evenly this pan heats. Crepes slide right off and cleanup is a breeze." Another user raved, "This is my go-to pan for tortillas and dosa. The non-stick surface is outstanding and the handle stays cool even on high heat." These testimonials highlight the pan's reliability and user-friendly design, making it a favorite among home cooks. Final thoughts. The Eslite Life 9.5-inch crepe pan is more than just a skillet. It's a reliable partner in your culinary journey. With its innovative design, health-conscious materials, and exceptional performance, this pan is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Whether you're a home chef or a casual cook, this pan will undoubtedly make your life in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your cooking. Order yours today and experience the difference. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.